Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode, a man in a kilt, and another man wearing sunglasses. That's enough for anyone that hasn't subscribed to hit that subscribe button.
Aye laddie, we're off to Scotland!
We're starting to feel the distance. Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro. It's a skilt, mate. It is a 11 out of 10 kilt, and it's gonna be massive. I'm gonna turn up there, go in the pub, and they're gonna love it.
Mate, they're gonna beat you up. Is that your missus's skirt?
No, it's specially made. 11 out of 10. This is like the merchandise that no one will ever be able to buy.
Mate, you're gonna be in trouble when you go up there.
No, they love it.
I'm sure that's your missus's skirt.
No, the best bit of it is though, right? What's underneath it?
I don't want to look.
Are you ready?
Oh no, don't!
So, to put it into context, we are travelling 550 miles, 9.5 hours of solid driving to get to where we're staying in Scotland. But this adventure has started in true helmet head style. A man in a kilt, and another man wearing sunglasses. That's enough for anyone that hasn't subscribed to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up, because right now we are hammering it down the motorway to get to Scotland as quickly as possible, legally of course. But we're going to stop for a little bit of breakfast, we'll check out the vans, but we're getting there, and whew, this is going to be a nuts crazy adventure, and I'm getting excited, and more every mile we get down to get to the campsite so we can pitch up and start this adventure properly. Breakers 69 to Rubber Ducky, are you receiving?
Rubber Ducky receiving, over.
Well, Sidekick, we're on our way, and I tell you what, the weather is rubbish, but we are going to Scotland.
Aye laddie, we're off to Scotland!
Now the big question is, being the expert that I am in all things, I've been studying the Scottish accent and speech, and I completely understand every word that they say. So, have you been practicing your Scottish speech?
Aye laddie, I've been practicing my Scottish and I'm getting pretty fucking good.
That is not bad, to be fair, but you've not said what the most important word is in Scotland.
Oh, what's that?
I want an iron brew,
I want to see the Highland Coo!
and I want to have a curly whirly.
Where's my haggis?
Have you brought your kilt as well, or I should say skill?
No mate, I've not brought my missus's skirt with me. If I want to get a kilt, I might buy one while I'm here.
Look, I don't know what you're talking about Mrs. Skirt. I will not agree or deny or accept any responsibility if she's missing a skirt.
He's wearing his missus's skirt, we all know it. That is definitely your missus's skirt.
So the biggest question is, what's the most exciting thing that you're looking forward to when we arrive?
What, after we've had a beer?
Well, that's the big question. Is it going to be a beer or is it going to be a ride? I mean, looking at the weather, it'll be a beer, but it could be a ride.
after the drive we're having, I think it's definitely going to be a beer.
Well, just remember I like mine cold.
My fridge is really cold.
Good, I'm looking forward to one of your beers, it'll be good. Well, this is a moment where we pull over and check the bikes. We're about 3-ish hours away now. We're feeling pretty knackered. As you can see, the Himalayan has done amazingly well. Obviously, the Sidekick's got me a coffee. We'll go and check on his bike, but we are getting there. And you know what? We're starting to feel the distance, but we're getting there. So, Sidekick,
yeah,
how are you holding up?
Not too bad. It's a long way, isn't it?
Do you not think though, with the weather being so beautiful, like we're in sunny Spain or like somewhere like that?
I just like, they are growing sunflowers there, which I think might be a bit optimistic.
Just a bit. Anyway, let's check on your bike. See, it is a nice feeling now when you open that to see you've actually got a boy's bike, a man's bike. Instead of a girl's bike.
A lady's bike,
yeah. It is nice though. I mean, it looks good in it, and it fits really well, and it's still up.
I rode it in there, did a wheelie, getting it in, didn't break anything luckily. It's good.
It's good, isn't it? I want to get there and get the bikes out.
Yeah, I could do a little lay down on the bed and have a little sleep, to be honest.
No, we're not doing that. We're here to make an adventure, mate, not have a holiday. So let's get there. Let's get these off.
All right, and then we'll have a load of beers. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just go to the jacuzzi and stuff like that. I'm not being filmed in the jacuzzi, but by all means, you can be.
All right. Okay.
Well, after 11 hours on the road, we have just literally arrived at our campsite. Me and the Sidekick. I'm knackered of you.
Yeah, back's killing. I don't think that seat's very good for long distances in the ambulance now, but yeah.
Well, we'll go unload our bikes. I need a beer, and then
beer.
Yeah,
it's
going to be a beer. And then right behind us over there, that I cannot be bothered at this point to walk to, is the sea.
Yay!
Looks really cool. So at some point we'll go down for a bit of cocktail called Sex on the Beach.
I'm not having sex on the beach with you.
Just to celebrate being here. So yeah, it's going to be good. Anyway, we're going to get the bikes off. I'm going to get the Sidekick to pour me a beer and we can chillax, because I am proper battered.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky.
Well, I'm often asked, what kind of support vehicle have we got? What kind of crew have we got for when things go wrong and the nuts and crazy stuff that we do? But the thing of it is, being the Helmet Head channel, we have better than a support vehicle and crew. We've actually hired our own hero. Well, Mr. Dazza.
Hello.
You've come on this adventure.
I certainly have, all the way to Nicky Nacky New Land.
Obviously the weather is fantastic.
Oh, it's scorching.
It's gorgeous.
Scorchio.
None of us are freezing cold and layering up.
Not at all, I've got 5 layers on and wanting more.
I might put my heated vest on in a minute. Now, you've
Fire
saved...
we want on.
Oh, we do. I've actually got the heating on with the door open, to be fair. Now, you've saved me. You've now saved Darren. Now, everybody said about a support vehicle, and I know you're a hero, and I know you've been saving all of the ladies around the world. Yeah. Now, people want to know, how much is it to actually hire you for a week? Because I'm not going to tell them the actual fee that I'm having to pay to have you along. But you can kind of, is it, the big question is it an envelope they slide across the table and you just nod or wink?
Yeah, it's all done under the table.
Yeah, all tax free.
Yeah, all tax free and shipped off seas. Off seas?
You're as bad as me with words.
You know
we just make up words. So you've bought the best bike in the entire world.
I have, the only one that'll fit in my van.
The thing of it is, though, by the end of this adventure, I could probably guarantee you're going to end up towing either me or the Sidekick out of some kind of hell.
Yeah, well, it's funny you saying that, because I've actually got a tape measure with me, because I've got to measure the bikes to see if they'll go in my van.
We'll get your bike unloaded and we'll get our first beer so we can actually truly be on this crazy big adventure too. So Sidekick,
Yeah?
I was going to clash beers with you and celebrate us getting it, but why are you wearing a beaver on your head?
It's what they wear in Scotland, isn't it? It's a deerstalker hat.
You look like a right plonker.
Me?
You look special.
No, don't. This is what they wear in Scotland. They'll wear them.
Well,
It's a deerstalker. I'm in Scotland. This is what they wear. Fluffy hats, keep their heads warm.
You do actually realise this is the first time that you've not looked cooler than me in your entire life. And then there's another one.
Fitting in Scotland, that's what it is.
Welcome to Scotland. You look like a pleb.